If you want to remove the background from an image in Canva, but you do not have Canva Pro, this video is for you. Many people think this feature is paid only, but there is a simple way to do it for free, and it works directly inside Canva. Let me show you how, step by step. First, open Canva and create a new project. Once your design is open, look at the left side menu and click on Apps. This is where Canva hides many useful tools that people often miss. Now, in the Apps section, click on the search box and type background eraser, then press Enter. You will see a few results, but click on the first one named background eraser and then click Open. This tool works without a Pro subscription, which is the best part. Next, click on Choose File and upload the image you want to remove the background from. After the image is uploaded, click on Remove Background. Give it a moment, and Canva will automatically erase the background and add to the design for you. As you can see, the background is now gone. Simple, clean, and no Pro account needed. The only drawback in this method is that it won't work on complex subjects and backgrounds. That is it for this quick tutorial. If this helped you save time or money, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who uses Canva. Also, drop a comment below and let me know if it worked for you or if you want more Canva tips like this.